All right, people. Yes, so now that I've finished with my schooling and I have time to actually sit down and think through stuff, right? Can I flip this? Okay, so think through stuff. I'm able to think deeply about my mixes now. And yeah, I've just been here going through stuff and trying to remix old stuff and do all kinds of stuff. And it's just amazing how much, a little knowledge can go, how far a little knowledge can go, And so this is something I'm working on right now. And it's actually an old setup. I got a M Audio Fast Track with the HP or Toshiba, Windows 10, and I'm just messing around with stuff. And I'm doing this old project. It's an old project I'm trying to remix because I was never satisfied with the sound before school. And now I'm just here and I'm just enjoying myself, It's like the idea is coming out, The idea of the musician is actually coming out better, sounding better. It's like I haven't really touched the what was played. I'm just spreading the stereo out and setting levels, and it's just amazing. Like clarity. And this is a 44 100 hertz or kilohertz sample rate. So I was having a lot of clip signals, in the let me show you. And I'm in the process of eliminating those clip signals. Like that one right here. Probably gonna export this to a higher sample rate, the stems, and transfer it onto the MacBook, and hopefully revamp the sound again, and even take it from that point, so make it sound better from that point, because now you'd have hardware, computer power to actually process the plugins, and the M Audio, the Universal Audio plugins, also processing on the DSP over there would help the whole setup sound clearer, and you wouldn't have all the clicks and pops that you have on the smaller or older system. And this is how we started back in the day. We would be on and at that time this was actually high spec computers, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and all that stuff, and 164-bit operating system, Windows operating system, with Pro Tools, M Audio, M-powered 8.5 some, just a simple setup, but the whole process is in the mix. See all the yellow highlighted buses. The buses Pro Tools is using to give me a stereo spread. That way you don't hear rumbles, and even if you do hear rumble, you can pinpoint what instrument is creating the rumble. So this is just an exciting moment for me. Thanks to the Los Angeles Film School. Summa cum laude. Peace. Yeah.